Erectile dysfunction, impotence, is the inability to get and keep an erection firm enough to clap the cheeks the way cheeks need to be clapped. If erectile dysfunction is an ongoing issue, however, it can cause stress, affect your self-confidence, and contribute to relationship problems. Problems getting or keeping your dick hard can also be a sign of an underlying health condition that needs treatment, because everybody knows that nothing good ever came from a limp dick. In other cases, medications or other direct treatments might be needed. Research on the efficacy of nitric oxide in treating limp dicks has found that taking a snap surge supplement with the natural patented S7 blend may help improve sexual function. Nitric oxide deficiency could be a reason why you can't get or sustain a rock-hard cock. Though snap surge may help you regain the diamond hard dick you want, need, and deserve.